She blinded me with science.
One way of producing energy is the use of a redox reaction. If made in a certain form, in this case a galvanic cell, the energy will be produced in the form of electricity. We made a galvanic cell using copper nitrate, copper, zinc, salt water, and sodium chloride in hopes of powering a small light bulb of voltage 1. Now we're going to calculate the cell potential under standard conditions. We have our cathode, copper, which is going to be reduced in this reaction, and we have our anode, zinc, which is going to be oxidized. So the E0 reduction of our cathode and anode according to our Appendix E in our textbook are respectively positive 0.337 volts and negative 0.763 volts. So the only thing necessary to find the standard cell potential is to subtract the potential of the anode from the cathode. So that's going to be 0.337 volts minus negative 0.763 volts. And that gives us 1.1 volts, our cell potential. We prepared the components of the cell by placing the zinc, our anode, into the salt water, and the copper, our cathode, into the copper nitrate. After this, we started packing a U-tube with salt to serve as our salt bridge.
Okay.
We are inverting the U-tube into the beakers.
And we have to do it so that the U-tube spends a minimal amount of time inverted without being submerged.
Yes.
Let's do this. Okay, fingers out. Move your arms up over there. There we go. Okay.
Oh.
I can't go any farther.
How do I?
So just go. That's it.
There we go.
Now our cell is ready to be hooked up to a voltmeter and a low voltage light bulb.
Now we're going to dip the zinc into the salt water solution, and we're going to dip the copper into the copper nitrate solution. Ooh. Oh, look at that.
Perfect. 1.1.
Our initial attempt to light the bulb up failed for unknown reasons. So we ended up just telling Sean to put it on his tongue. What could go wrong?
Are you going to stop me? Alright.
Go.
Alright, I'm going to touch it to my tongue.
Okay.
Jeff said so.
Edit that part out.
Ah, that tastes weird.
Did you feel any electricity?
Yeah.
Don't go back.
Next I will explain how galvanic cells can be used in modern day settings, within cars. Galvanic cells in cars are usually known as lead storage batteries. Usually within the lead storage battery, the electrodes will be submerged in sulfuric acid or a mixture of sulfuric acid and water. Also common in lead storage batteries is to have 6 cells connected in a series, which allows for greater voltage to be produced.